Hello students, in this video we are going to solve a nice algebra problem. Here x plus 4 times x plus 5 times x plus 6 times x plus 7, this is equals to minus 1. Here we need to calculate all possible values of x. Students, if you like my videos then please subscribe my channel. Now let's start solution of this question. X plus 4 is multiplied by x plus 5 is multiplied by x plus 6 is multiplied by x plus 7, and this is equals to minus 1. Look carefully here, 4 and here 7. 4 plus 7 is 11 and 5 plus 6 is also 11. So first of all we will multiply x plus 4 by x plus 7, and x plus 5 is multiplied by x plus 6, and this is equals to minus 1. Now x is multiplied by x plus 7, x is multiplied by x plus 7, plus 4 is multiplied by x plus 7, and here x is multiplied by x plus 6, plus 5 is multiplied by x plus 6, and this is equals to minus 1. Now x times x plus 7 is x square plus 7x, plus 4 times x plus 7 is 4x plus 28. X times x plus 6 is x square plus 6x, plus 5 times x plus 6 is 5x plus 30, and this is equals to minus 1. X square plus 7x plus 4x is 11x plus 28 is multiplied by x square plus 6x plus 5x is 11x plus 30, and this is equals to minus 1. In left hand side, x square plus 11x plus 28 is multiplied by x square plus 11x, and here this 30 we can write 28 plus 2, 28 plus 2, and this is equals to minus 1. Here we will apply substitution, and if we substitute x square plus 11x plus 28, this is equals to m. This expression is m and this expression is m. Then we can write m times m plus 2, and this is equals to minus 1. M times m plus 2 is m square plus 2m, this is equals to minus 1. Now if we take all the expressions in same side, then m square plus 2m plus 1, this is equals to 0. In left hand side, this is a quadratic equation, and this quadratic equation is factorizable. So first of all we will make factor of this quadratic equation. M square plus 2m plus 1, this is equals to 0. M square plus 2m is m plus 1, this is equals to 0. Look carefully, first two terms and then last two terms. If we take common m in first two terms, then here m plus 1, and here if we take common 1, then you will get m plus 1, and this is equals to 0. Here m plus 1 and here m plus 1. M plus 1 is common, then you will get here m plus 1, and this is equals to 0. M plus 1 times m plus 1 is m plus 1 whole square. M plus 1 whole square, and this is equals to 0. Here we will apply this rule. If a square is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0. M plus 1 is equals to 0, then you can say m plus 1 is equals to 0. Value of m is equals to minus 1. And we know that m is x square plus 11x plus 28. M is replaced by x square plus 11x plus 28, and this is equals to minus 1. Now if we take all the expressions in same side, then x square plus 11x plus 28 plus 1, and this is equals to 0. x square plus 11x plus 28 plus 1 is 29, and this is equals to 0. Here x square plus 11x, x square plus 11x plus 29, this is equals to 0. In left hand side we have a quadratic equation, and this quadratic equation is not factorizable. Here we will apply quadratic formula. Value of a is equals to 1, value of b is equals to 11, and value of c is equals to 29. And quadratic formula x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2 times a. Then x is equals to minus value of b is 11 plus minus square root of b square 11 square minus 4 times value of a is 1 and value of c is 29 divided by 2 times value of a is 1. Then x is equals to minus 11 plus minus square root of 11 square is 121 minus 4 times 29 is 116 divided by 2 times 1 is 2. Then x is equals to minus 11 plus minus square root of 121 minus 116 is 5 divided by 2. Here two solutions. X is equals to, first solution x1 is equals to minus 11 plus square root of 5 divided by 2, and second solution x2, this is equals to minus 11 minus square root of 5 divided by 2. In this question we have two real solutions. This is our final answer. I hope you enjoy this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.